What would it mean if a former president could claim immunity from criminal charges? This is the question that has been recently thrown into the spotlight, as former President Trump's legal team filed a written response to special counsel Jack Smith's request for the U.S. Supreme Court to hear Trump's immunity claims in an election interference criminal case. The story began when Trump's legal team urged the High Court not to rush and accept the issue before the lower courts had heard the matter. Smith, on the other hand, is expected to file a final written rebuttal in the next few days to urge the court to quickly accept the case. The justices will then privately consider whether to review the case. Smith's argument is that the High Court needs to act quickly to prevent any delays that could push back Trump's trial until after the next presidential election. If the justices decline to step in, Trump's appeal would continue at the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit. This is not the only legal battle Trump is facing. He is also involved in a 41-count indictment in Georgia for attempting to overturn the 2020 election. Trump may ask for federal court takeover of the Georgia and New York cases, arguing that his actions were carried out in his capacity as president. Trump could also claim immunity under the Constitution's Supremacy Clause. However, legal experts believe that Trump's intervention does not warrant immunity. Despite Trump appointing 3 conservative justices to the Supreme Court, the court has not consistently ruled in his favor in previous cases. Trump's appeal strategy is likely to focus on delaying the legal process. He has already called for the delay of his criminal trials until after the 2024 election, claiming that they are politically motivated. Trump is also facing charges for mishandling secret documents. The special counsel has alleged 3 more charges against Donald Trump, his valet, Walt Nauta, and Mar-a-Lago maintenance director, Carlos de Oliveira, for conspiring to delete surveillance footage at Mar-a-Lago before a subpoena was served. In summary, the key points to take away are that Trump's legal team is trying to claim immunity for him in an election interference case, arguing that the Supreme Court should not rush to hear the matter. They are also attempting to delay his trials until after the next presidential election. Meanwhile, Trump is facing various other legal challenges, including a 41-count indictment in Georgia and charges for mishandling secret documents. The question of whether a former president can claim immunity from criminal charges is a significant one, and the answer could have far-reaching implications for the future of American politics.